2015 Chevrolet Tahoe. We're getting some intermittent throttle issues where you get some dead spots. It's not throwing a code yet, but you can tell it's there. So you got time to change the throttle position sensor, or the pedal position sensor, if you will. It's a pretty simple swap. You can't just replace just the sensor on the throttle itself. You get a replacement, you actually get the full pedal assembly. It's very simple, easy swap to do. Start with the connector right there, pop the white tab back, pull the connector off, and there are 2 bolts. Torque screw right there and right up top. You can see the 2 locations up top and bottom of the new one. Pretty simple to do. Pop it off, pop the new one on, and you are on your way. Easy to get to. As you can see, new one is already installed. It's a fairly quick and easy job. Only need 1 tool. I have a T30 Torx bit, short extension, and a 3/8 drive ratchet, just because that's what I had. So that's all we really need to get up in there and get it done. Quick and easy.